Big changes are on the horizon for thousands of skilled foreign workers aiming to work in the United States. In a step to reform the H-1B visa program, US President Donald Trump has signed a proclamation that will impose a $100,000 annual fee for companies seeking to sponsor foreign workers through the H-1B visa system. So what does this mean for those hoping to come to the US on an H-1B visa? And why is this such a big deal? Well, let's break it down. Under the new rule, anyone applying for an H-1B visa will now have to pay a $100,000 fee each year for their petition to be processed. This applies not just to new applications, but also to petitions that support existing H-1B workers. In short, if you don't pay this fee, your petition gets rejected. Employers will be responsible for proving that the fee has been paid. The US Secretary of State will confirm whether the fee is included, and without it, applications will be rejected by either the State Department or Homeland Security. Applications from outside the US must include the fee to be approved. Now here's the kicker. This change is going to hit Indian workers the hardest because official statistics show that Indian nationals account for 71% of all approved H-1B visa recipients, while China makes up 11.7%. These visas are typically granted for periods ranging from 3 to 6 years, and many of these workers are employed by major IT companies, or they are recent graduates from US universities with advanced degrees looking to stay in the country for work. But the new fee could make it nearly impossible for mid-level professionals or entry-level workers to afford staying in the US, as their average salaries hover around $118,000 per year. So why this $100,000 fee? Well, the Trump administration says it's all about protecting American jobs and preventing the H-1B program from being abused.
So the whole idea is no more will these big tech companies or other big companies train foreign workers. They have to pay the government $100,000, then they have to pay the employee. So it's just not economic. If you're going to train somebody, you're going to train one of the recent graduates from one of the great universities across our land. Train Americans, stop bringing in people to take our jobs. That's the policy here. $100,000 a year for H-1B visas, and all of the big companies are on board. We've spoken to them about the gold card.
They love it. They love it. They really love it. They need it. Go ahead.
The administration claims that the high fee will reduce unnecessary applications and push companies to hire foreign workers only when it's absolutely necessary. However, critics argue that this could hurt US industries that rely on foreign talent, particularly in fields like tech, where the US is dependent on workers from countries like India and China. Every year, the US issues about 85,000 H-1B visas through a lottery system. But with this new rule, many visa holders might find themselves unable to afford the fee and risk losing their job opportunities. Worse yet, they could be forced to leave the US if their employer chooses not to pay the fee. So what are your thoughts? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.